Yeah, hello. Once again, iSamfix Computer Solutions. Once again with a new video. Yeah, we have a laptop today here. I don't know which HP is this. This is a ProBook 360 G4. Yeah, ProBook 360 G4. So when you insert in the charger, when you insert the charger here, you can check at my power supply I'm getting 6, 8. But nothing. You see all those amperes being drawn by this laptop. I do believe they are going to the battery because the screen, I'm not getting any indicative LED light or light from this laptop. I'm getting nothing. So I do believe everything is going to the battery, and so to eliminate those doubts, maybe let me try to go directly to the motherboard and see whether that is the case. Maybe. Okay, yeah, I think we are still coming out a bit fine. Oh, come on, don't damage anything. So, and the keyboard is out, eh? Yeah, so, oh, you know what? I'm already suspecting something here. I am already suspecting something with this one here, and so just a minute, give me a minute. Just okay, sorry, I had to. So you know why I'm saying this? I think, oh, there's too much water damage on this laptop. I'm telling you. So first and foremost, let's get rid of the client's data. That's very important. I think water. This is a liquid damage. So I don't know whether you'll be in a position to see this. Yeah, I knew because of this part here. I don't know whether you can see the whitish parts there. This white here. You see when I wipe it off, And also on the laptop, I'm also having a lot of liquid damage. You can see this part here, this one near the screen, and also this part here. So actually that was very risky, connecting a charger when you're already having a water damage job or a liquid damage on any motherboard. That could make the situation worse than it already is. But I didn't know that, so let me just get rid of the battery first. First of all, try and wipe the liquid damage. And I don't know, what do you think? Maybe the liquid has gone to the other side of the motherboard? I don't think so, because but anyway, we are just going to practice to be very cautious about it. Or maybe should I come out with the whole motherboard to make sure that I've corrected all the... I think that will be a good idea. Posing a challenge to access the motherboard. So the board is out, and I do believe the behind part everything is fine. The behind part everything is looking very great to me. So let's go under the microscope so that we get to do some little bit of inspection using a very clear microscope. And maybe not good, don't know why the stuff is dropping here. Never mind. So going under the microscope together. Yeah, so today the gadget, you're not able to save the gadget before the mess is done, because you cannot rush to grab the battery because it's inside. Sometimes you are left with no choice other than to... So the behind part everything is very okay. As I told you, it's very clean. I see the metal sheet here. Oh, maybe not. So let's first of all start with the front side here, the one I was talking about. So as you can see on my end here, okay, not that one, I think the upper part here. Okay, where are you? Yeah, check here. This is a liquid damage, and as you can see, it's not a good one. How is my lighting? Yeah, maybe I can increase a little bit of the lighting. So that's a liquid damage. These components are not looking very great, these two here. So you can also check these two. These are the two here. Where are they? Yeah, bring it to, okay, this one, you see this part here is also not looking very nice. Let me focus for you to see that. It's also not looking very nice. What other areas have I noticed? Some, yeah, this area here is also suffering from, you see this one, any other area? Let me try to remove these stickers. Maybe there could be some more behind the stickers. Maybe it's a bit ugly behind the stickers, and since we cannot see, we may end up maybe ignoring those areas and end up with a motherboard that is not working. So I think those are the those are the major areas I've noticed from my end. And so hello, yeah, a minute, let me just attend to one customer here. I'm coming. Yeah, so where were we? We were checking the stickers here to see whether the stickers are having the water damage, and I confirmed there's no water damage. So let's go to the heatsink part, the back part. I saw some traces of water damage too on that area. Yeah, there are some traces on the back cover. So let me remove the heatsink in a few. That's what I'm working on here. The heatsink is coming out. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Check these areas just near this edge here. Okay, how can I put it under the microscope? I check here. And this part, is there any other part? So I think on this back side, the only part that is affected is this one. So, and now we'll start the process of cleaning it up with some isopropyl. Yeah, so I think that part is clean. So what else can we work on? So we come to the top part here on the screen connector. Okay, here we also try to clean. Try to be very careful not to rip off some components. You can see another part here that is also not looking very nice. That area there is not looking very nice. So yeah, I hope after the cleanup we are not going to have a lot of challenges with this one. So by now I know the components are a bit tough. They are not going to yeah, there's another section here that is not looking very nice. This section here. Yeah, also I don't know whether you have ever asked yourself why every time you have a liquid damage, there's always some blue coloring or some blue content coming out of the chips. This is because in motherboards, actually there's more chemistry in the motherboard than physics, because about physics is all about voltages, but the chemicals used to make these components, they are very chemical. Like there's two chemistry in the components, like the electrolytic capacitor. It's something to do with some liquid what we used to do. I remember in some chemistry class we used to talk about those liquids that store charges, dielectric liquid or something of the sort. And there's more in every component in these parts here. Actually, components are more chemistry than, I don't know whether one day I'll make a video to describe. Maybe we'll start going under the components, maybe the electrolytic capacitor. We try to look at the resistors and whatever, the charges, the negative charges and the positive charges. So the emission of the contents in the chip combined with water is why you see the corrosion coming in some form of a bluish or some crystal blue content coming out of those chips. So I hope you understand about that. Okay, here. So like that. Okay. So like that. Something I can see another trace of so here too you can see there's the same content we're talking about there. Yeah, so do I need to maybe reflow some of these chips, or maybe stop at that and try to connect and see whether the machine is going to give us a display? I think we should go by that actually. So let me just take back the heatsink here without much ado. So the heatsink is here. Yeah, let me come out of the microscope mode so that you get to see what I'm doing right here. Just a minute. Yeah, out of the microscope. Yeah, so here I screw number 1. I put screw number 2 here. I put screw number 3. Yeah, sorry, let's go on. I need to tie up this screw so that we may not stress the processor. Okay, also this part here. Okay, so let me come with the screen and try to see whether I've done anything as far as the cleaning of machine is concerned. Okay, so yeah, I think it's supposed to go like this. It's supposed to go like this. I think some places there's fire around where I am. I can hear the fire brigade going across some areas. Okay, just enough here. Let me come back. I think the noise is too much. Yeah, hello. Yeah, we are back. So we were connecting this laptop back to the connector, and something else is happening here. Yeah, we'll go back to microscope mode once more. I don't know whether you'll be able to see that. Let me try to. Okay, where can I capture this detail? Maybe somewhere there. I don't know whether you see that. This is the screen connector. It's not looking very nice. There's black soot on that screen connector. I think still as a result of just a minute. Black soot. I don't know where the black soot is coming from. Oh, definitely it's from the liquid damage. Ya matahiko. Itu atahikaratire ya matahiko. Yeah, so I think it's a bit better now. Yeah, let me come out of the microscope mode. So, sorry. So let me try to dry that connector with some hot air. I think that's fine with that. I'm hoping that we are going to have a successful case with this one. And now if that the screen connector was looking like that, I think it's still advisable to clean the port itself. So that we can be sure that that everything is going to work fine. So let's see. So is there RAM on this machine? I think the RAMs are on board. Okay, so I think let me connect the power button. Yeah, I hope you're going to have a successful case. Okay, how come? Oh, I had not. Okay, how come I'm not getting? Oh, the charging port is out. Okay, you are not telling me the charging port. I was worried. Why is the machine not turning on? Very, very worried. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, 17, 3.4, 0.3, 0. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, yeah, we have a display. Yeah, things are not very bad. Yeah, we have a display on this one. So I would like to say that's a success case with this one. So that's it for today, guys. Yeah, let's meet in the next video. So keep subscribing, liking, and sharing. And for those with questions, I think I'll be more than glad to answer them down in the comment section. Yeah, and that's it for today, guys. Bye.